Hey guys, it's Dave, social media manager at VisionFriendly.com. While our country continues to be on lockdown and our staff continues to work from home, I thought I'd make a special trip here to our Vision Friendly headquarters to give you a quick personal tour of the newly constructed office space. At 1250 East Deal Road, Suite 302 in Naperville, Illinois, I'd probably say that this is the nicest office that I've ever worked at. Come on, I'll show you. Okay, today's tour begins right here in the main conference room, which is off our lobby. It's one of the most seen spaces with visitors since it's the first thing they see after walking in. As you can see, we have plenty of seating for large meetings. This is where we have our weekly staff meetings, client meetings. The two large screens in the back allow us to show the projects we're working on or have video conferencing. And these chairs, these are so comfortable. I mean, not too comfortable. They want to keep us away for those staff meetings. Okay, we are now in the design department. This is where we normally see teams of talented designers creating award-winning artwork, functionality, and creative content that clients require to successfully connect with their customers on the web. One thing's for sure, these guys have the best view. I am so jealous. At times, there's a need for some quiet space, which these single pod rooms can accommodate. These are awesome. There is so much creativity in here. I can feel it. Nope, that's just the air vent. Okay, now we're taking a walk through the project manager wing of the floor. This is where our project managers work directly with customers to identify their needs, requirements, and make sure that things happen on time and at the level of quality that they expect. The personal attention that they give to each client is so important to our business, and the team we have in place is second to none. Here at the end of the hall, we have a smaller conference room. This is where we have meetings with clients, staff meetings, and if there's a need, we can do video conferencing on the two large video screens. Okay, as we all know, it's not a functioning office unless there's a kitchen, and this one has all the essentials. A sink, full-size refrigerator, microwave, ice maker, dishwasher, and the most important of all, our industrial coffee maker. Without this thing, I cannot get through the day. Java, anyone? Okay, this is not fresh. And right off the kitchen is this awesome, fun break room equipped with a putting green and a Pop-A-Shot basketball arcade game. Taking a break at Vision Friendly is like a three-pointer. Now we find ourselves at our last stop, in our main lobby. An impressive open concept layout which includes a comfortable waiting area, view of our main conference room. Our VisionFriendly.com office is truly a great space for creativity and inspiration. A place where clients are always welcomed. I hope you've enjoyed today's tour of VisionFriendly.com. Remember, for all your online needs, whether it be website design, SEO, PPC, digital marketing, website hosting, and social media marketing, even through the pandemic, go where so many businesses go, VisionFriendly.com, or call 630-553-0000.